I'm Mark Cavanaugh for Cavy Coaches, and today I'm going to coach you up on making predictions in a lab setup. Alright, so what we have set up here is I've got an inclined ramp, I've got my battery-powered vehicle that we saw early on in a previous lab, and I've got my free-rolling car that we saw in the next lab. And what we are going to do is we are going to predict where these two cars collide. Now, predictions are not guess and check and kind of time and guess and use guess and check to go back and forth to see this car goes here, this car goes here, and figure out a time. What we're going to do is we're going to use physics. So what can we use? Well, we know how to model the motion of a constant velocity car, and we know how to model the motion of a car that is speeding up. We can model those in terms of equations, graphs. We've got several different ways that we can model it, and we're going to use those models in order to complete what this is called a lab practicum. A lab practicum is where you use the stuff we have learned within the unit to be able to make a prediction in a lab situation. So here are the rules. This car is starting at the top of the ramp at a line we're going to call position 0. This is like a number line. There's only one 0, so our 0 starts there, and these numbers are our positive direction. This car is going to start at the bottom of the ramp and is going to move back up the ramp. And it is your job to figure out where they're going to collide somewhere on this ramp. Your grade is going to be based on your percent error. Ooh, percent error. Which means we're going to actually run this and collide it, and we're going to see where they actually collide versus where you calculated that they would collide using your mathematical models or graphs or other methods. So you can look at the video. I'm going to roll this car one time. You can look at it as many times as you want, collect as much data as you want. I'm going to let this car roll one time, but you're only going to see the cars on screen individually. You will not see them together. So best of luck and have a great day and even better tomorrow.
If you're looking to check your solution, join my Cavy Coaches channel on YouTube Google Classroom page by navigating to Google Classroom and typing this code after you click Join a Class. Then just submit an answer using the classwork page assignment called Collision Practicum. Have a great day and an even better tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Cavy Coaches, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Cavy Coaches.